Alright guys, today we're going to be doing a recoil rope on a Ryobi 2800 PSI 2.3 gallon per minute pressure washer powered by a Honda GCV 160. So any of the parts, I'll put this whole recoil, it's super cheap, in the description below. I'm going to go through actually putting a new rope in this one, so I'll put the new rope in the description below. First thing we're going to do is take off this recoil. It's 10mm bolts. There's 3 of them. I always tighten these first to get the nuts to move a little bit. What happens is if you just go to loosening them, it'll pull the studs out and it becomes a pain in the ass. If you tighten them a little bit first, it will it'll break these free, so that when they and tighten the studs down, so that when you turn it the other way, they just come out and leaves the studs in place. Never hurts to put a little oil on all 3 first. Use WD-40, BB Blaster, whatever you want. This is just diesel fuel. It's really thin and works really well. So I got it in a little eyedropper deal. Use it all the time. It's ever since I started using diesel fuel, I don't break exhaust bolts. It's like the best thing in the world. You're going to go in a clockwise direction and tighten them. You'll hear it just kind of click a little bit. That's when you know. That one clicked already. That's when you know you've moved it. It's moved a little bit. See, and that's it. And then you're going to go counterclockwise on it to break them free. I'm going to have to hold the engine to do that. It's not foolproof like this one's turning, but it looks like nothing's happening. It's because the whole stud's coming out with it. If that happens, get them all broke free and get what nuts you can off, and then you're just going to pull it all the way out. This will give you an opportunity to see what to do if you get the stud stuck to it. All 3 of them are stuck. So what you're going to do is just keep backing them all out until all this lifts off. This whole cover will lift off. Gas tank, everything will come off. Well, I think gas tank might stay there actually. Maybe, no, the gas tank everything comes up. So we're just going to go ahead and pull them out. See, the whole thing comes off. Gas tank, everything. Once you get it kind of upside down, because there's gas in this, I'm going to pull the fuel line so it can be to the side where we can work on it. And everything pulls out of it, no big deal. So now you got these things. Sometimes there's a little like 10mm nut right here, or maybe here, I don't remember which side, that you can put a wrench on and hold it and then break it free. We're gonna have to put on some vice grips onto these, because these have no nuts on them. Like that. Now you can break this 10mm free. So then as the studs come out, so this was like this, you're going to go ahead and reinstall them one at a time back in with this little spacer piece up, and tighten them down. I'll grab this piece with the pair of vice grips after I've gotten it all the way in there, and then make sure it's good and tight. Just like that. Remove all of them, do the same. Last 2 go here. So side up again. And here. Tighten them down. Attach the fuel line. Just place gas tank back down on the studs. Like that. Now we're back to our recoil, our originally programmed activity. We're going to get this old rope out of it. Just pull it right on out. Just get it all out of there. I'm using number 4, which is 1/8 diameter. I'm going to pull a bunch off the loop here. I'll put it in the description for you, the length of it. Take a lighter and heat up the end of it, and then just pull it to a point so it's not all frayed out. Just heat it up. Don't if you get it too hot where it's bubbling, it'll burn the hell out of you. So you're just gonna heat it up. Now there's a hole. There's a hole right there, and there's that hole right there. You're gonna line the two up where you can get this rope through both of them holes. Then we're going to take this, we're going to tie it in a simple knot. Just a knot like that, then tighten it up. Pull the rope tight until the knot's all the way down into that groove right there. Now we're going to reach in here and grab this rope, pull it out there, like that. And then we're going to grab the end closer to the knot, and we're going to go counterclockwise with it. We're going to go 3 or 4 times. I'll go 3 times at first, just to 3 times. Pull this back through, and then you can let it go right back in. Now we can fit more rope in here. We're going to. I think we'll do 1 more turn at a time. I think it's 5 full turns with number 4. We'll find out. 1 more. Yeah, we'll do 2 more. I think it's 5. Yeah, that's it. Perfect. We're at least tied the handle off to this. We're gonna get that down. We need the handle. We're gonna fight with it. Just cut the rope, pull it out of the other side, get it out of there. Grab this rope right here, pull just a touch out. We're gonna cut that rope. Don't drop it or it'll go spooling back up in there. We're gonna heat that up and pull it to a point with a lighter. That, and then we're gonna take and shove it into our handle, just like that. And then we're gonna tie it into a then we're gonna tie it into a knot. That. Yeah, that's it. That thing's ready to rock and roll now. I don't know why this thing's blurred. There we go. Must have got something on it. Alright, so now this is ready to rock and roll again. I'm gonna stick it up on our things. We're gonna put our 3 10mm nuts. Oh, we'll throw one on the floor. Oh, we're gonna throw 2. And right where they go. And then tighten them down. And that's it, guys. Easy peasy. If that helped you out in any way, shape, or form, give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. I'll put the whole recoil super cheap on Amazon in the description. Sometimes it's just easier to pop that on, like especially if you got a broken spring or something. I'm going to put the rope and handle in the description below as well if you want to do the rope. Yeah. Show me a little support. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button. If you want to do any advertising on my channel, message me. Be more than happy to have you. Peace.